let's talk about how this might look in a worded question, okay? So let's say we have a pool, okay? A pool with a length that we don't know, okay? But we do know that the width is 3 meters longer. So how could we figure out, and then we'll say that we know area equals, let's say it's 140 meters squared, okay? We'll save that bit for later, but for now, let's have a go at drawing the pool, okay? So we know that there's a pool, and this is possibly the wonkiest pool of all time, but we know that the pool has a certain length, okay? So we'll call it X. We have no idea how long it is, but we do know that the width is 3 meters longer than X. So we've already got X, and we need another 3 meters. Okay, so this is the dimensions of our pool. So how could you write the area? Well, what's the area of a rectangle? We know that it's length times width. So it must be length times width. How could we write that? What about length times width? Because remember, if there's no sign, it means times. So how would we expand our brackets? Remember, multiply by everything inside. So we end up with x squared plus 3x. So now we know that this is the area of the pool. Okay, actually, let's get rid of that. We don't need to do that for now. We'll do something like that later. Okay, if the length is 7 meters, what is the area? Whoa. Okay, so now what we do is we use the formula we've already come up with, and we know that x is 7, don't we? Because that is the length of our pool. So instead of x squared plus 3x, we're going to have 7 squared plus 3 times 7. So we've got 49 plus 3 times 7 is 21. So how big is our pool? Ta-da! 60 meters squared. Okay, so that's the, 70 meters squared. Okay, so we know that that is the area of our pool. Okay, now some people are getting a little bit confused about the worded questions. I know that sometimes the application is hard, but just try and break it down and think about what information you're being given and where that could possibly go on any sort of diagram you're meant to be drawing. Just slow down and think about one piece of information at a time.